Today is Sunday, guys, and I have a break. Today, I decided to listen to the online sermons. Okay, meditate, spend at least 10 minutes doing nothing. Just think of God and His presence. Thank Him for everything. Now, I would like to practice this habit. Okay, let's see how many days I can go. Well, I hope I can really start this habit because this is very important in our life. So, Sunday I'm trying to do something else today, fix my schedule for the whole week, review my goal for the past week, and then I'm going to invest wisely my time for this week because I'm giving myself like 10 days for my goal. So, online and face to face about my business. I hope, Lord, I can really make it with your blessings. Okay, happy Sunday, everyone.